Now, I said there were conflicting scriptures. There are scriptures that seem to imply that. It's the easiest thing in the world. But then there are other scriptures that we want to look at now that seem to imply that no, there may be a little bit more to it. Eternal life and receiving salvation. And of all places, we're going to look at something Jesus said. In John 14 and verse 15, he said, "If you love me, keep my commandments." So, is it necessary that I love Jesus? Is that required? Is that just a choice? Is that I can choose to love Jesus or I can choose not to love Jesus? How does that work? Well, I'm just reading from the Bible. If you love me, Jesus said, keep my commandments. Revelation 2 and verse 7. He that has an ear to hear. No, excuse me, he that has an ear. No, you just reach up, okay, I got two. All right. Let him hear what the Spirit says unto the churches. What churches? Take your pick. To him that overcometh will I give to eat of the tree of life, which is in the midst of the paradise of God. Okay, seems like it's something, okay, what's this word overcome? To the overcomer, I'm going to give to eat of the tree of life, which is in the midst of the paradise of God. Okay, overcome what? There's something we must do. Okay, the Spirit enables us to do something. And that something is to overcome. Now, obviously, this is a no-brainer, by the way. It is to overcome sin in our lives. Okay, that's the thing that separates us from God, is it not? It's a thing that Christ died for. I mean, I don't want to keep crucifying Christ over and over and over again by sinning. I don't want to keep doing the thing that sent him to the cross and caused him to suffer. So the overcoming part is very simple. It's a no-brainer, like I said. It's the sin. The Spirit of God enables us to overcome. That word overcome also can mean winner, to the winner. You know, there's winners, okay? The overcomer is a winner. Revelation 22 and verse 14, blessed are they that do his commandments, that they may have a right to the tree of life, and they may enter in through the gates into the city. Now this is what I mean by conflicting scriptures. You know, and it's like, okay, who are you going to believe?
Check us out on the web at isthatreallyinthebible.com.